What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video I want to talk about the fact that I invested $2,600, $2,600 into this particular dividend paying stock. As a matter of fact, I ended up just grabbing some more shares because I was trying to get to a nice even round number as far as how much money I had invested in this particular company. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my phone here. I already have a screen recording going. I'm gonna tap on Robinhood like I always do. Face ID, okay, cool. I'm going to scroll down and it is the second stock here. It is ticker symbol ARR. I'll touch on it. This is Armor Residential REIT. The reason why I like this particular stock, and a lot of people will think that these type of stocks are risky because the dividend yield is very high. But the reason why I like this particular stock is they pay monthly, and that is very encouraging to me. I like to see progress as much as I can. So I'll scroll down here and I'll show you guys. Currently, I have 846 point whatever shares, and my average cost is $11.82. Overall, you guys can see my total return is I'm up $344.23. The overall amount of money that I have invested in this particular company is it's like, I guess $10,000 is $10,004. It's just a little over $10,000, right? So part of the reason why I ended up buying another $2,600 worth of shares is I was just trying to get to a nice round number, which would be $10,000. And that is quite a bit of money. Now I will scroll down here and show you my order history, so you guys can see it says history right there, and you guys see that it says that I have a market buy on March 8th 2021. I'll touch on it. So I basically just bought based on dollars. You can be real specific as to, if you want to buy like and pay per share, like a specific price, you can set the price that you want. So currently I bought $2,600 worth of shares, and I got 219 point whatever shares at $11.87. Now, of course, you could set it. You could set your you could set it to execute the order at, let's say, $11.85 or $11.90, whatever. But I don't have the time and patience for that because I'm not always looking at the stock to see when the prices are fluctuating all over the place. So I just spent $2,600 and grabbed however many shares I could get at that particular time. And I actually submitted the order when the market was closed. So it filled as soon as the market opened, and it filled at $11.87. And that particular day, the stock kind of went up a little over $12. So that was really cool that I was able to kind of grab it in the beginning. And it just worked out that day that the price of the stock actually went up. So that was kind of cool. So I grabbed, like I said, 219 more shares. And let me show you, I had a dividend payment. Of course, I already made a video talking about this particular dividend payment. On February 26th, I had a dividend payment from ARR, and I'll click on it just to show you guys. At that particular time, I had 142 shares. We'll just use round numbers. 142 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share, which gave me a dividend payment of $14. The 26 cents is, $14.26. Okay, so based on the amount of shares I have now, we'll do some quick math. So they're paying 10 cents a share, and right now I have 846 shares. We'll just use the nice round number, 846 shares. So I'll go to my calculator, 846 times 10 cents. I will have a dividend payment of $84.60. And more than likely, I'm going to get that dividend payment towards the end of March, right? So maybe around the 25th to the 27th, I'll get a dividend payment. And when you get these dividend payments, they just deposit it into your account, right? So they deposit it directly into your Robinhood account, your brokerage account. They deposit the dividend payment there if you don't automatically have it enabled. And of course, I don't have it enabled. So let's do some quick math, right? So it's $84.60. Now I'm just going to do that, right? and I'm going to multiply that times 12. Okay, that would give me $1,015 for 12 months. If I got that particular amount, the $84.60, if I got that for 12 months straight. Now, the beauty of dividends and dividend payments, right? You're going to get the $84.60, and then you're going to reinvest and get more shares, right? So in reality, it's not going to be $84.60 times 12, because every single month, $84.60 will be more the next month because you have reinvested by buying more shares. And so then maybe month number 6, instead of getting $84.60, you're now getting $90. Okay, so once again, when I did the math of $84.60 times 12, and I got $1,015, that's not accurate, because it's not going to be just that, because once again, the dividend payments are going to continue to grow every month. Now, another way that you can kind of help your dividend payment grow is you can invest more by getting more shares. Let's say you get paid weekly or bi-weekly, you would then just, maybe spend $100 towards that particular stock, and however many shares you get for $100 every time you get a paycheck. So you're growing how many shares you have, and by doing that, you're going to continue to grow your dividend payment. And when you get your dividend payment, you're going to grab more shares. So you're going to be able to get more shares over time. And this is going to be very powerful. Once again, this is a very small thing and small steps that will add up to something incredible. That's the power of dividend payment over time, and that's why I like it. It's a lot safer than day trading like I tried to do earlier in 2020. I'm no longer doing that. I'm very gun shy about it now. Maybe it's someday I'll jump back into that, but as of now, not so much. But I wanted to go ahead and, like I said, make this video and share it with you guys that I did purchase $2,600 worth of shares with ARR, which happened to be at the time 219 shares. All right, so once again, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. Feel free to share the channel with somebody that's going to benefit from it as well. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.